Hey everyone, welcome to the video. Thanks for joining me. My name is Owen Fox. I'm a holistic coach and helper and healer to humanity, helping people and souls to elevate their frequency, vibration and consciousness. I'm passionately working my purpose, helping people to heal themselves, their life, their relationships and their relationship, parenting and their ancestral line. So if you're interested in any of this sort of stuff, be sure to stick around, hit the bell button and subscribe if you wish. You're welcome. Please do, so for further education and videos on these topics, as well as physical and emotional, mental healing and well-being. So if you grab my 2 free books and 2 free video courses and a free monthly workshop down below by just clicking on the link, and join my community of like-minded souls and people on their expansion journey. And I'd love to have you join, be part of all that. It's a beautiful community in place. So in this video I wanted to say, whee! Oh wow, that was a strong one. So first gear up a hill, 34 kilometers. Usually I only hit up to 25 on first gear. But this video I want to just say how, in terms of holistic healing and emotional and relational and mental well-being, as part of the big picture is physical, and what we eat, the fuel and the consciousness we ingest and put into our body. It's really important too. Yesterday I had 2 small little episodes of healing where I shed a tear once, and I also felt sad at the same time, and another time for around 30 seconds or so, or a minute, I also felt sad, but I don't think I shed a tear. And all this is from simply, in the last month I've eaten a raw vegan diet, but I've been on this vegan and raw vegan path for 18 years and self-healing path for 18 years, all the same year, when I was 24 years young, and now I'm 42 years young, which is the flip side of it. So definitely a lot of positive changes in these times. My eyes have changed colour and shade distinctly to be brighter and clearer and bluer and whiter, instead of yellowy or browner or darker or duller. And my vibration has obviously grown and lifted too. But yesterday the reason why I cried is because I switched my raw vegan diet to simply a fruit only food like diet. Today I had a bit of spirulina and pine pollen and a bit of herbs, like last night, and today I also had nettle leaf powder. So, but the only food I'm having, I've omitted the usual, which would be like high omega-3s, flaxseed, hemp seed, and sometimes almond milk, and chia seeds in my smoothies, which I often add in like lettuce or spirulina or celery or kale or spinach. But I omitted all that. Today I had these epic smoothies. They're the bomb. You should taste these. I wish you could. Absolutely delicious. So this is what I have beside me, that and this, and the beautiful cherries and an orange. But I also have food at the back of the car too. So what's in that smoothie? And my wife tasted it. She absolutely loved it. It is frozen blueberries, frozen strawberries, fresh cherries, threw in a few fresh cherries, and then just simply bananas, dates and water. We collected the water from a river, which it's safe. It's like people have been doing it all their entire life. So river water, bananas, dates to sweeten and to nourish, and also extra flavor and nutrients. The berries, the cherries, blueberries and strawberries. And if you don't know already, berries are amazing for your endocrine gland system. They're really good for your hormones, your pituitary, your thyroid, your thymus, your adrenal glands, your ovaries or testes, for your overall glands that emit hormones, your endocrine glands. So berries are the bomb, and I've just been feeling amazing. So I have to say there's a big difference between eating like complex, mixed, heavier raw vegan and simplified raw vegan. It's definitely lighter. It improves when you get rid of the concentrated fats, and you just live on the essential fatty acids from the fruits. So or even the herbs, but it's different when you have a powder. There's no digestive energy in having a little powder, a little bit, half a teaspoon or a teaspoon or two, it makes no difference. Today I also have maca and a little bit of vanilla protein powder, and I have tried creatine, organic Sunwarrior creatine. I'll leave a link in the description below. as well as my books and video courses and workshop below. Just join the community for free. I'd love to see you on board. It's amazing. Highly recommend it. But yeah, I've only been having the creatine for last week, just to experiment. It's vegan, it's best brand, and just to help. It's no harm. It's good. But yeah, like, so when you simplify and omit the concentrated big sources of fats, what happens is you have increased circulation of your nerves, your blood, your lymphatic, and your bowels or your intestines. So constipation is reduced in all of these forms. You can have interstitial lymphatic constipation, blood stagnation and poor circulation, and you can also have nerve, like, not the best circulation. Like, you can have much better nerves on a lighter diet, and also, of course, your bowels or your pooping, you can be way less constipation. So when you let go of constipation and stagnation, what happens is you get way better circulation, and that is really good. Not only physical but also emotional, and that's why I mentioned the whole thing about, like, crying a little bit, like a tear or two yesterday, and just feeling sad, just for no particular reason. Nothing happened. Just like going around doing my day. I think I was with my daughter once, my toddler, and another time I was just driving. She saw me, looked at me, was like, oh. But it's healing, you know. You're letting go of blocks and stagnation. So most of my work is really related to, like, mental, emotional, spiritual, relational, that type of stuff. But listen, you can't omit the physical, because it's totally tied in with everything. Like, I was happier yesterday, a bit happier, a little more cheerful, and it was noticeable. And I was feeling lighter, I had more energy, better mood, and that's just simply from simplifying my raw vegan diet to eating only fruits. So yeah, I hope this video helps you on your journey of healing. And yeah, lots of love. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the best 2024 ever. You deserve it, and you need to claim it. And part of that could be joining my group for immense support and encouragement. I also have, like, a bunch of other video courses too, and more workshop available for full members. But you don't even need to join that. You can just go in, get all the gifts, and enjoy them first. Just be there for a little while, feel it out, see how you feel. And if anybody, there's no pressure on anybody, but if anybody wanted to upgrade and get a further 8 or 9 video courses and a new book on self-love as well. So yeah, my main book is for free already anyway. Heal Yourself, Your Life, Your Relationship, Family and Ancestral Line. So there's courses on parenting, there's all sorts of courses. I'll let you have a look. Just check the links below. Lots of love. Have a great day. Thanks for joining me, and lots of love. Mwah.